Perhaps you've got a blown bulb or you just want to upgrade this taillight housing to something new. I'm going to show you how to take this off real quick. It's real easy. In my case, I'm just upgrading the stock reverse bulb to a much brighter LASFit LED. It's real easy to do. First, let's get this tailgate down. This is the only tool we're going to need. It is a Torx T15. We just have 2 Torx screws right here that we need to take out. We're going to use our T15 to do that. And if you're familiar with the older Chevy trucks, you've done this before. Just pop these out. Now you might be watching this video because you took those 2 screws out and couldn't get this housing off. Well, if you've never taken it off your truck before, it's gonna be pretty hard to get off, but I assure you it's just these 2 screws. I'm gonna start at the top, pull it back a little bit, and then go to the bottom, pull it a little bit. There we go. And yeah, this top. There we go. All right, we're out. We're just gonna pull this out. It is clipped to the back of the housing right here. That just pulls out. That'll give you a little bit more room to play with. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this completely off. Looking at this bottom connector, there is a red clip that needs to be pushed this way a little bit. And you can use the screwdriver to push it. All right, with that pushed out, now you can push down on this and pull that off. And then our reverse light just twists and comes out. Now we've got our taillight housing off, and if you were replacing this with an aftermarket unit, you could now proceed with that. I'm going to go ahead and clean all the dirt off here while I've got it off. Got that cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and replace this bulb here. Now the one I'm replacing it with, and yeah, don't ever touch bulbs with your bare hands. The bulb I'm replacing it with is a LASFit LED. This is the same company that makes the headlights that are in my truck, and I put those in probably about 2 years ago now, maybe 3 years ago, and they've been flawless. So I have no issues recommending lights from LASFit. They've worked well for me, and I don't know why it's taken me so long to upgrade these. But these reverse lights basically just pull out, and then the new light just pushes in. And then to put your tail light on, you just reverse the process when you took it out. That just twists into place, like so. And then we are going to push this on. We push this on. Don't forget to put your red clip back in. And your wiring harness also needs to be clipped back in. Now over here, you've got a hole here, and you have a hole here. And this piece right here, there's another one right here, slide into these holes. Now additionally, you've got a little hole here, and a little hole here, and there are little tiny nubs that stick off of the tail light housing right here and here that go into those holes. Get the back holes lined up. Make sure those are in. And then your 2 screws will easily fit into the side. If these don't just fit right in, you've done something wrong. Just like that, we're done. If you're replacing your reverse lights like I was doing, make sure you test them before you screw them back in. Otherwise, you'll be redoing it like I did. The lights work fine, but they have to be turned the right direction. I had to turn the wrong direction. One of them turned the wrong direction. The other one's fine. So that's how you change out your taillights. If you want to get some super bright LED reverse bulbs, check out the link in the description for the LASFit bulbs. Like, subscribe, comment. See y'all down the road.